a gold-winning JCDC piece, Ajana Dryden performs Eyelash, written by the great Dion Silvera.
Mother gooders, me this a come from Glen and Maxine wedding. Girl, it was a eyelash parade. Me never know. I saw eyelash popular. It's like a pandemic. Only me and Pinky never wear one. Girl, me say nah, no teeth, musu, wear one. I did live in plain wing. Any minute now, she supposed to take off. The only reason why she not take off, is because she could have barely see. If you do it, in the heat, if you could to her and ask her where she wear, say me go over to her and say, Muso, goody babs, I wear. She said she wear mink, me say mink, D. How was that? She said then come in a number. The higher the number, the kicker and fluffier, the eyelash gate. So you know me go round and start ask everybody what am I wearing at the eyelash world. Girl, if you now wear eyelash, it's like you're out of style. And that's all. Me know about the different eyelash them. You have wispy short in the crease and full. You have volume full all over. You have one name fan. You see fan, and so fan long. And fan come with you so. And fan come and a pop and a flap and a pop and a flap. Them there come in a small, medium and large. Mother, guess who they come my wedding now? Guess no? No Lele. And you know, Lele face challenging. One night time in a Mava, me prips over a corner. I did live in rat, but me a look pan. Mava, me say, you have a table round a back. Name table 5. If them never sit down strong, the breeze would have gone with them. You don't only hear. So fly high in the sky, let the whole world know. Let the whole world know. The whole of them round there so eyelash fever awning in the dawning. Well, anyways, yeah, Mava, me see ya. Right now, me a go down, go try on my eyelash. Well, Mufo, give me later. Eyelash on my eyes for the whole world to see.